Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. As in the previous video, we have discussed about Madhav's story. Madhav faces many problems related to water. Just like Madhav, Sonal also faces water scarcity in her house. She lives in Nagar. वहाँ पर वाटर की सप्लाई पूरे डेज में only half an hour ही आती थी. All the people of the area depend on only a single tap. Sonal is determined to take water from the tap. Whenever she gets a chance, she fills her bucket even if it gets filled just drop by drop. Now students, let's come and do activities as shown in the picture and write answers in the boxes. Number 1. How many drops will fill a spoon? Now, you have to take a spoon and fill water drop by drop. Here, Sita did these activities. She found that 8 drops of water will need to fill a spoon. Next activity is how many spoons will fill a bowl? For this activity, take an empty bowl. Use a spoon to fill the bowl with the water and count the number of spoons that is required to fill the bowl. When Sita did this activity, she found that she needed 10 spoons to fill the bowl. Next activity is how many bowls will fill a mug? For this activity, take a mug and fill the bucket with water using a bucket. Sita found that she needed 15 mugs to fill the bucket. Now children, just think, if tap leaks even drop by drop, how much water would be wasted? These pictures show you something similar. In the first picture, we see that this tap is leaking. Though it seems like a little drops of water, when collected, they would almost fill a bucket, like we see in this activity before. In the second picture, we see a boy brushing teeth, but he left the tap on while he is brushing teeth. In both the situation, water is being wasted. In the first one, drop by drop, and in the second one, it is wasted in large quantity. So, similarly, water is getting wasted. Now, here is the question. Can you think of ways of saving water? Write your suggestions below. As we have already discussed in previous video about saving water, so that you can write your answers easily. Now, the next question is, can we use the water that has been used for one purpose for something else? Yes, we definitely can reuse water that has been used for one purpose. Can we use it again for something else? This is called reusing water. In this picture, we see that the woman collecting the water that is used for taking bath, and she is using the same water to bath her cow. The water that was used for this purpose is being reused for another purpose. तो आपने देखा हम वाटर को कैसे सेव रख सकते हैं? Now our next question is, draw lines using different colors to show which work will be done after the other, so that the same water can be reused. One example has been given to you. You can use the water that you use for washing fruits and vegetables to water your plants. By doing this, we are reusing and saving water. In the same way, the water that you use to wash your clothes can be reused to wash your toilet, and the water that we use to wash our hands and face can be used to mop the floor. Now children, I hope this is enough for today. Till then, give message to everyone for saving water. As without water, life is not possible. Keep smiling, keep learning. Wear mask, follow hygiene, maintain social distancing. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.